Today I want to demo for you our digital meal planning board with 100 gluten-free recipes. Imagine if you could have all your gluten-free recipes completely organized, completely in one place in a searchable database so that you can find them whenever you want with the click of a button without the frustration of spending countless hours searching for just that right recipe. Well, now you can with this digital meal planning board with 100 gluten-free recipes. We discovered a brand new way to organize and store our recipes, so we created this completely original online recipe and meal planner that is a completely new way for you to organize and store your recipe that makes it easy and fast to find any recipe quickly and easily. You can print your recipes, plan your meals, make a grocery list, share your recipes, and take your recipes with you on vacation wherever you go. It's so much faster and easier than having your recipes scattered all over the place on index cards, on notebooks, on several different apps, and random screenshots on your phone, because it's a complete waste of time when you can't find the recipe you want right away. Let me show you why this digital meal planning board with 100 gluten-free recipes is so amazing. When you open the board, you're greeted with these beautiful, bright, mouth-watering images of the finished dishes. There are multiple categories. You have your vegetables, you have your pastas, you have your seafoods, you have your meats, desserts, salads, breakfast, sauces, sides, soups, chicken, and more. Additional categories can easily be added. Categories like fall favorites, husband's favorites, kids' favorites, easy lunch dishes, 5-minute recipes, and more. If you can dream it, you can create it. To view a recipe, you just click on the image. It brings up a full screen version of that recipe. Here, you can view all the ingredients and the instructions. As you can see, you can conveniently label each recipe: vegetarian, gluten-free, and there are more labels that you can add: vegan, keto. There's an option here at the bottom to add comments. The kids absolutely loved this dish. That comment stays there for viewing later. Some recipes may include video. From here, you can easily pull up a full screen version of the recipe for printing. You can also share this recipe with a QR code, with an email, or a link. Add recipes to lists to create daily, weekly, and monthly meal plans. It's also super simple to add your own collection of recipes. Find the exact recipe you want by going to the search function up here. Pull up any recipe by searching in the name. Let's search for fish. I think I want this one. Awesome. It's even accessible on mobile, so you can take it on vacation wherever you go. You don't need to spend hours rummaging through stacks and stacks of completely unorganized recipes that you've printed. You don't need to continue eating the bland, tasteless, gluten-free food that tastes like cardboard. And you don't need to worry about paying double the price for gluten-free products, because you'll be making your meals at home. And that alone will save you tons of money. No, you don't need to do any of that. Last-minute planning and failing to prepare costs you more money in the end, and worse than that, it can be the cause for you to get miserably sick and possibly have to go to the hospital. Of course, we're not going to charge you $1 million for this, and the great news is that this digital meal planning board with 100 gluten-free recipes is just $57. That's more than you'll find in 5 cookbooks that would cost you over $100. And this meal planning board is less than the cost of 2 cookbooks. And you'll get access to these recipes and start using them immediately. Now, this digital meal planning board is a recipe organizer, it's a meal planner, it's a grocery list, but it's more than that. It's an app, it's customizable, it's searchable, and it's mobile to fit your lifestyle. And it's your key to living a normal life while navigating this crazy world of having to avoid products with gluten. Now, grab this right now because we have an introductory price and we're offering a $10 discount off the regular price. And this discount will not remain forever. And once you click on the page, you'll see if the discount is still available. So get it now. Go ahead and order the digital meal planning board with 100 of the most appetizing gluten-free recipes by clicking on the link below. Thank you so much for your support, and we'll see you soon.